Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using. Today, we're diving deep into the topic of the video, derived from the Yandex disk link content. Please provide the link so I can complete this sentence. This isn't just a cursory glance, we're exploring the nuances, the pros and cons, and everything in between. I've spent a good amount of time with the subject of the video, again derived from the link content, and I'm excited to share my findings with you. Here, I need the content of the Yandex disk link to continue the rewriting process. I'll incorporate the information provided in that link, expanding upon it and rephrasing it while maintaining the conversational style. I will ensure the rewritten text matches the original length in characters. Please provide the link so I can finish the rewrite. For example, if the Yandex disk link contained the following text. This is a note about using the Rome Research note-taking application. I found it to be quite powerful, but the learning curve is steep. It's great for connecting ideas, but can be overwhelming for beginners. I recommend starting with the basics and gradually exploring its advanced features. Then, the rewritten text starting from where I left off above might look something like this. Rome Research, the popular note-taking application. And let me tell you, it's been a journey. While I've been thoroughly impressed with its power and flexibility, it's not without its challenges. One thing that struck me immediately was the steep learning curve. If you're just starting out, be prepared to invest some time and effort into understanding its intricacies. However, that initial investment pays off in spades once you grasp the core concepts. Rome's ability to connect ideas and create a web of knowledge is truly remarkable. It allows you to link thoughts in ways that traditional note-taking methods simply can't. But with great power comes, well, a potentially overwhelming experience. I found that the best approach is to start with the fundamentals. Get comfortable with the basic features before diving headfirst into the more advanced functionalities. As you gain experience, you can gradually explore the deeper aspects of Rome and unlock its full potential. I'll walk you through some of the key features I've found most helpful and offer some tips for navigating the initial learning curve. We'll cover everything from creating basic notes to building complex graphs of interconnected ideas. So stick with me, and you'll be a Rome pro in no time. And I would continue elaborating and rephrasing to meet the required length.